Hello people, I'm back doing the doll custom. Start off with the face off. So you rub the face off with acetone and a Q-tip. Is that what it's called? I don't know. But I was hesitant to rub that face off because I knew I would do something ugly, and I did. Oh, God. I feel so sorry for my doll. Oh, yeah, it needs to look like that. Then you put whites in the eyes. So it's white. And you put pink lips, and then you do that for the irises, pink irises. And you do it for the other eye. Then you put red. It looks creepy as. Creepy AF, but oh well. Then you put black on the top as eyelashes, because, yep, that's all I'm gonna say. Oh, that's cuter. That's much better. Then I made some practice clothes, see. Then I did, this is the real thing, and that's my horrible, like, transitioning thing going, wee. Yeah. Oh, what am I doing? See, and I stitched it on her because I wasn't bothered to, yeah. See, and then I turned it inside out, and then I painted on it with acrylic paint. It looks really cute. Paint on the shoes. They're cute. Yeah. See? And then that's a mugshot because she's one from the police. Then you put the head back on her. And, if you want better doll things, go to Delightful and also buy People.